Our newest classrooms continue to utilize Crestron control systems and include additional equipment not found in typical older classrooms. These classrooms utilize a dual projector setup that allows the instructor to view two different sources or one source on both screens. On the left is the Eno board, a projection and annotation screen that dry erase markers can be used on. At the center is the control console and presentation sources rack. On the right is an HD Sony projector and standard electric screen. On the top of the control console, you will find the computer monitor, Crestron control panel, and wireless keyboard. Below is the equipment rack, which houses the media presentation hardware. This includes a PC computer, a DVD VCR combo deck, inputs for laptop using either VGA or HDMI connections, document camera via the DVI connection, and an Ethernet connection. There is also a power strip for external devices. On the right side, there is an iPod dock with scroll wheel and control buttons, Blu-ray DVD player, and CD player and audio cassette deck. The instructor can use the computer monitor to prepare their presentation before sending the image to one or both of the projectors. Controls for selecting projectors, presentation sources, screens, and lights are controlled to the Crestron touchscreen next to the computer monitor. Before demonstrating the Crestron controls, we would like to give you an introduction to the new technology that is possible with the use of the Eno annotation board. Each Eno board comes with a tablet and pen, which can be used as a handheld input device and magnetically attached to the Eno board. The Eno board pen is not a real pen, but is actually a pointer that can be used for mouse control, tool selection, and writing controls. The tablet can be used throughout the room, either as a mouse or for annotation, where anything written on the tablet is instantly projected on the Eno board. The mouse only works when the tip of the pen is pressed against the screen or tablet. If you would like a personal tutorial on the Eno board, please contact Bernard Colo, Academic Media Director, or any of the professional staff in the department. To begin using the classroom technology, touch the Crestron control screen to bring up the Providence College logo. Touch the screen again to continue to the source menu. The appearance of the screen may look a little different from the older Crestron rooms, but the buttons and their functions remain the same. In these newer rooms, you will first select the presentation source, such as computer. You will then be given the option of selecting rack laptop, HDMI, document camera DVI, or the room PC installed in the rack. Unlike standard Crestron rooms, after selecting a source, you will then be given the choice of 3 display options: send to ceiling projector, Eno board, or both. If your initial selection is a computer input, the projector you select will automatically turn on. Choosing both will turn on both projectors. Selecting ceiling projector will also automatically lower the screen. It may take 1 to 2 minutes for the Eno board controls to load on the rack computer and for the projector to reach full brightness. Selecting the video source menu will display options for Blu-ray, VCR, DVD, and cable TV. First select your source and then press the Send To button located underneath the preview screen. You will then have the same display options of ceiling projector, Eno board, or both. In this case, we change the input of the ceiling projector to the Blu-ray player, while keeping the room PC projected on the Eno board. Any combination of sources is possible, but the annotation pen can only be used with the room PC on the Eno board. Selecting the audio option will display CD, cassette, and iPod options. While there are touchscreen controls for all video options and for both the CD and cassette players, please notice that there are no on-screen controls for the iPod. An iPod can be controlled using the scroll wheel and control buttons on the iPod dock or on the iPod itself. The room control menu contains individual controls for both the projectors, the electric screen, and the room lights, which can also be controlled via the wall switches next to the door. At the end of your class, please select the Room Off button in the top right corner of the touchscreen. Since selecting this will turn the entire system off, a screen will ask if you are sure that you want to shut down the system. Press Yes to continue, and the system will shut down, turning the projectors off and bringing the screen up. You must wait until the projector cools completely before you can start another session.